Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, stop everything you're doing right now because I just found the definition of a dream home kitchen. This modern Tudor organic look, it's insane. We're talking about this deep, moody olive green cabinetry that is totally giving elegant, natural vibes. It's paired with this crisp, gorgeous white marble that just screams high-end luxury, you know? But the real showstopper? The stone. Wow. Look at that massive chimney hood above the stove. It's all rough-hewn limestone, and it just instantly gives the space this historic, grounded feel. It's absolutely monumental. And because the ceiling is soaring, right? We're talking about maybe 11 feet 6 inches high. Those dark, rustic exposed beams are just perfect. They pull the eye up and add that cozy Tudor charm. And functional? Forget about it. That center island is huge, maybe 8 feet long, giving you all the prep space you could ever need. Honestly, so many kitchens feel cramped and sterile, but this one is light, airy, and yet still incredibly warm, thanks to the natural light flooding in from those gigantic windows. It takes the boring out of kitchen design. It's a game changer. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.